just got back from the auto store and picked up a new belt for BMO because she has been whining a little bit and I like to listen when she makes noises. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna replace the belt today and check that out. So yeah, and yeah, obviously this is not BMO, this is Pearl. That's actually my roommate Natalie's car. Funnily enough, she's the original owner of BMO, but yeah, we're gonna take a look at that here in the next day or two because Pearl needs some brakes. So we're gonna put on some new rotors and some new brake pads, upgrade that with some drilled and slotted stuff. But yeah, basically we're gonna take a look at BMO and get the belt installed. I've already got it kind of opened up to take a look to see what I actually needed from the parts store before I just actually picked up a bunch of stuff. So yeah, let's take a look at all that. You know, here's the old belt, here's the new belt. We'll bust that open and take a look and get that fixed. So yeah, let's check that out. So let's take a little look and see what we're actually getting after today. The problem is coming from right in here on the belts. So what you have to do is you have to take off the front tire and climb up underneath here, and you're gonna remove this plastic panel. So we're gonna remove this plastic panel here. There's a couple bolts, and then I don't know if you can see it, but you'll get up underneath and access the belt from underneath. So I will obviously get some better shots and some more light in here for you to see that. But yeah, so that's basically what we're gonna start with. So now that we got those off, it's just a quick 10mm and a screwdriver. We've got, like, you know, whatever, 4 or 5 nuts that you got to pull out of there, and you can remove the plastic covering. Once you get the plastic covering off, you'll actually get up underneath here and you'll be able to see better. One second. Now you have access to all of that. So from here you can, you know, loosen the tensioner, pull the belt off, and check all the pulleys. So yeah, we're gonna check that out. We're gonna check out these pulleys, replace the belt, and see what else is going on down here so we can stop this whining. Okay, well yeah, we got the new belt and the old belt. I'm not quite sure how long it's been since the belt's been replaced. The car did just break like 177,000 or something like that. So there is quite a difference in the old and the new belt. So I'm hoping that this kind of stops the whining that I'm hearing. Now that I have the cover off and I've checked all the pulleys, I'm gonna get up in there and throw this belt on BMO and see what we can get. I know there's going to be a little bit of a process getting it in there, so yeah, show you guys what that's about. I did, however, take a picture with my cell phone of the routing of the belt before I took it out, so that I had an idea of what I needed to do or what it needed to look like as I put it back in. So yeah, let's get after that and see what we can come up with. guess with the pop she's on, huh? Okay. Well, yeah, I guess I just slip that belt on. It takes a second, you know, it's a little bit of finagling around, and the 14mm and a little bit of elbow grease and brute force, you can slip that belt right back on there. So yeah, let's kind of get it started up and see what we hear, if we notice any difference. I'm gonna put the tire back on and get this thing all buttoned up and go from there. Cool, well, yeah, let's start it up and see how it sounds. I mean, hopefully that stops the whining. Much better. It's on there perfectly, actually. It's rolling really smooth, so yeah, I think we're gonna call it. You know, thanks for joining me. I may actually pair this with a video about the brakes, and if not, you'll see a video regarding the brake upgrade on my roommate Natalie's Suzuki. We're gonna be putting some new brake pads, some new drilled and slotted rotors on there for her, and teach her how to do that. So make a video about that as well. And again, thank you guys for joining me, and thanks for hanging out. If you liked the video, you know, subscribe, stick around, maybe check out some of my other videos on the tour of what's actually going on inside of this sweet little overlanding rig. Again, hey, thanks for joining me, guys.